How to download Happn app. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download Happn app on your mobile device. To get started, open the Play Store of your device or any other app store if you are using iOS device. On the home page of the Play Store, you will see the search bar. Click on the search bar and there type the specific word Happn. You will be presented with the search results. Here find the authentic Happn app, and once you find the app, you will see install button positioned at the right side of the application. Click on the install button and wait patiently until the download and installation process completes. Once the application is installed on your device, there you will see open button at the right side of the application. Go ahead and tap on open and you will reach to the home page of the Happn. So in this way you can download Happn application on your mobile device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.